Good afternoon, India, and hello world. We are at Automation 2022 Expo in Goregaon, Nesco, Bombay Exhibition Center. And with me, Mr. Samir Gandhi sir is here. He is the Managing Director of OMRON Automation Private Limited. So Samir sir, can you brief us what product has been displayed in Automation 2022 Expo?
Okay. So what we have done here this time is that we have done things a little differently. So we have not really displayed products, but I would say that we have tried to display solutions to the real challenges, to the real asks that the industry has. So, for example, here what we have is a pick and place. So this pick and place robot is displaying the dexterity of picking up small components. So, which is very relevant, especially for industry, especially digital industry, and these where you have small components that need to be picked in place. And then we've also got, on the other hand, we've got the predictive maintenance solutions, which help to provide or reduce unscheduled downtime for panel due to overheating in the panel or due to a vibration or a current issue with the motor. So it is helping us overcome that. Why are we talking about predictive maintenance? Because if you see, one of the big challenges in the industry is availability of labor and availability of skilled labor and experienced labor. So, which is where earlier, because of experience, people could do better predictive maintenance. But now that is not possible. Many industries are facing the issue of skilled labor. So, hence, we have automated predictive maintenance. So, that is the other thing that we have done.
So we are on ground, Samir sir. Can you brief
Yeah.
more about your some?
Yeah, so here we have the cobots. This is palletizing, and this palletizing cobot, the advantage is that it can actually work with humans. So you can see the person standing here. There is no fencing, there is no enclosure there, and so they are safe to work with humans. So this is the other advantage that we have here, or the other solution that we have here. And then we've got the traceability solution here. So the traceability solution is about marking on laser markers. Using laser markers, we are marking on components. Then it's about reading, verifying the code using the verifier, and then reading this particular product. We are showing the flying trigger technology. So it's about reading the barcodes on the fly without having to stop the camera, and finally putting the data on the cloud. So it's a complete traceability solution that we are talking about here. So yeah, that's essentially what we have tried to cover in our booth this time.
So lots of innovation we have seen in an OMRON stall. So any new trend or any new development in automation industry had you seen last 2 year or 3 year in India?
I think the big thing that is the shift that has happened is really, I would say, two shifts. One is the availability of labor is becoming a problem in terms of both quantity and quality, because during the COVID, many skilled labor went away, and many of them did not return. So this is one issue, and the other is digitization. So we are seeing a lot more emphasis on analytics of data. So, and this is what we have also tried to cover here. So as OMRON, we are providing solutions which are about collaborative working between machines and humans, not either or, but working together on the shop floor, so that we can create kind of productive atmosphere where humans and machines co-create. And the other thing we are doing is using data analytics for predictive maintenance. So that's the other using IoT applications. So we are trying to position solutions for the real world there.
So thank you, Samir Gandhi sir. Thank you very much for your valuable time.
Thank you so much, Bhavin.